Hello everyone, my name is Veer and today we are going to see one of the cool feature that Cypress has introduced with their latest release. Okay, so without wasting a time, we'll see what that particular feature is. Okay, so for that what you have to do is first of all you have to update your Cypress to the latest version. Okay, that is 10.8, the first thing. Okay, and the feature that they had introduced in this particular version is the support for WebKit. That means now you can test your Safari browser with Cypress as well. Okay, so in order to do this, what you have to do is you have to do a couple of things. First thing is you have to update your Cypress version to 10.8. The next thing what you have to do is you have to install the dependency for Playwright WebKit. Okay, so I'll quickly show you the command for that. Let me just quickly show you that command, what you have to do. So the command is npm install dash dash save dash dev playwright webkit. So what it will do, it will download your playwright webkit dependency into your local machine. Okay, and it will save as a dev dependency for you. Okay, the next thing that you have to do is in order to enable this particular feature, right? So what you have to do is you have to go to your Cypress config.js file and you have to add one configuration option called as experimental webkit support equal to true. Okay, so that's it. These are quite few steps that you have to do in order to enable the WebKit feature in Cypress. Okay, once that is done, what you have to do, you can just do npx cypress open. Okay, and it will open up your Cypress. Okay, and let's see whether we are able to see that particular option or not for the WebKit. Okay, so it might take few minutes to open the Cypress window. Now you can see that Cypress window is opened. Now let's go ahead and whether let's see whether that particular WebKit browser is shown in the Cypress or not. Okay, so if we can see the WebKit as one of the browser listed on the Cypress window. Okay, now let's try to select this particular option and let's try to see whether we are able to execute the test on the WebKit or not. So if you can see, it has opened the Cypress WebKit, and if you can see over here, it is basically using the Playwright WebKit browser. So you can see the Playwright icon as well. Okay, so now let's run our one of the test so that we are super sure that this particular feature is working absolutely fine. So if you can see, it has started executing the test. It has opened the browser. It is typing your email. Then it will clear out the password and again click on the login button. It is opening the admin page now. It is asserting on the menu items. Okay, once that is done, it is clicking on each of the menu item and getting the list of sub menu items. Okay. Okay, so now just to give a bit of more information, so whatever the browsers that are officially operating system that are officially supported by Playwright WebKit, you can do the same thing on those particular machines. Like Windows is officially supported, then Ubuntu is officially supported and Mac is officially supported. So on this particular operating system, you must be able to see the WebKit browser, and you should be able to execute your test over there. Okay, now we'll do one more thing. We'll try to execute the same test with the help of command ramp, and let's see whether we are able to get the same result or not. Okay. So in order to run on a particular browser, what you have to do, you have to type the command npx cypress run dash dash browser and the name of the browser. So currently the browser we wanted to execute is on Webkit. So let's try to see whether we are able to successfully execute the test, and we must be able to see the video recording of the browser as well. So by default, whenever you run the test in headless mode in Cypress, it creates a video recording for that. So let's try to see whether that is happening or not. So now if you can see the execution, that all the test cases has been executed, and you can see it has created the videos as well. Now let's see whether we are able to play the video or not. Okay, so let's see that particular video is playing or not. Sorry, I opened it in different. So let's open with the default player. So if you can see, it is executing your test on Webkit, and it is created video recording for the same. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos.